Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not enough disk space. First, check your computer's available storage. Roblox typically needs at least 100 megabytes of free space for smooth operation and updates. A quick win is to empty your recycle bin, which can instantly free up valuable megabytes. This initial step helps ensure you have the basic requirements met before diving into more advanced solutions. Next, let's clear out some old Roblox data. Navigate to your Roblox application data folder, usually found in your user profile. Inside, locate and delete the logs and temp folders. These folders often accumulate temporary files and old logs, which can take up several hundred megabytes of space over time. Clearing them out is a safe and effective way to free up room. If clearing cache doesn't work, a clean reinstall can often resolve persistent issues. First, completely uninstall Roblox from your computer through your system settings or control panel. Then, download the very latest version directly from the official Roblox website. Reinstalling ensures you have fresh, uncorrupted files and can optimize how the game uses your disk space, often fixing the not enough disk space error. Finally, consider broader disk cleanup. Utilize your operating system's built-in disk cleanup tool to remove system junk files. Also, take a moment to uninstall any programs you no longer use, especially large ones. For significant space gains, move large media files like videos or photos to an external hard drive. These steps can free up many gigabytes, ensuring plenty of room for Roblox and other applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.